Stock of the day. I thought we'd take a look at Northern Star Resources and see what David and Chris think of their update this morning. Northern Star saying they're on track to reach their FY22 guidance after hitting sales revenue of $950 million in the December quarter. The company's saying its forecast of up to 1.65 million ounces of gold with an average price of somewhere between $1,475 and $1,575 per ounce remains unchanged. More broadly, market taking a bit of a shine to gold after it popped overnight, helping the share price up higher this morning. So what do our experts think of Northern Star, and is it a golden opportunity? David Lane from Ords, what do you think of the update from Northern Star and it at the moment? Gold stocks generally have disappointed a bit on inflation expectations. A lot of people saying, investors have been hedging in crypto rather than gold.
Yeah, that's certainly the case. And Northern Star, like many of the other Australian gold miners, are down about 28% from across the 12 months. Up nicely today, up about 9.2%. But yes, the result announcement today was a solid result, fairly much in line with our expectations. A little bit higher on the gold production, but as you say, the business is very well positioned, and we see them as being one of the picks as far as the majors are concerned. And longer term, they've got a view that they should be producing more than 2 million ounces a year by 2026. And today's announcement proves that they look like they're on track for that. And yeah, one of the better picks. And as you said, that Australian gold miners are undervalued at the moment, and we think that Northern Star is one of the better plays there.
So you see it as a buy at these prices?
Yes, yeah, we've got a buy recommendation. Had a buy recommendation on it beforehand, as is normally the course. That the analysts will look at that today as a result of their announcement, but most likely that we'll keep that in place.
Chris, what do you think of the update and also Northern Star as a stock?
I like the update, and I would echo everything that David just said. I struggle to get excited about gold overall. However, we know that monetary policy is no longer going to be supportive of gold. The central banks are turning the taps off and really trying to control inflation. So we have inflation now, but everyone's trying to arrest that inflationary environment. Fiscal policy also tightening. The spending in the US last year was still very accommodative, but it was less than in 2020, which is not good for gold either. That might change. That might change once the Fed does actually start raising rates rather than just talking about it. But until that time, and until we see that share price tick up and the chart start to look a little bit better, it's really been sideways for a couple of years. Then I can't get too interested in this one.
Right. So not just Northern Star, but the sector as a whole as well.
Yeah, absolutely. The sector right now as a whole for me would be no more than a hold. Like I said, I think there will come a time to buy it, but I'm not necessarily a value guy like David, so I need to see some momentum before I'm going to buy a stock.